Need to change the currency in the Booking.com app? Whether you're planning a trip or just browsing, switching currencies is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. Start by opening the Booking.com app on your phone. Once inside, tap My Account in the bottom right corner to access your settings. This section allows you to manage your preferences and customize your experience. Next, scroll down and select Settings, then tap on Currency. Here, you'll see a list of available currencies. Instead of scrolling through the entire list, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the currency you're looking for. Once you select your preferred currency, the app will instantly update all prices to match your choice. No need to save or confirm. This change ensures that you can browse and book your stays with prices displayed in the currency you're most comfortable with. Now you can view hotel rates, special offers, and total costs in your preferred currency, making your booking experience smoother. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.